Hey, how's it going? My name is Mark Stevens. I want to say thank you so much for taking a look at this video. You are here because you're like, how do I get leads? How do I get leads in this company? Well, let me tell you something. You're in a great company, but if you don't master your marketing and how to get leads and generate them for yourself, you're going to continue to buy leads. And let me tell you something, it can get very expensive. I remember when I first started marketing online, I was buying leads. I think they were like $3 to $4 a lead, and you had to call them really early because a lot of them were like Eastern time or Central. And I remember I'd spend $300 to $400 a month just on leads. It would get very time consuming, not necessarily time consuming, I would say more expensive. So if you're looking to want to learn how to get leads quickly, and not only leads quickly, but how to build a system that'll help you to get your phone to ring, that'll help you to build your empire. And so I would love for you guys to call the phone number on the screen, and I'd love to help you and show you how to do that. I've been mentoring for many years, and I've been working for myself since 2008, and I'll never forget the day that I fired my boss, which was in 2008 of October. Let me tell you something, that was an amazing time. Also, I would say a God time. Because anyways, I'll have to tell the story later, but you're here because of leads. So I tell you what, just give me a phone call. You call the number on the screen. If I don't call you back right away, I'll call you within the hour or within 24 hours. Have a great day, and God bless you all. Remember this, if you master lead generation, nobody can touch you. So many people do the opposite. They get a business, then they look for leads. First, master lead generation, then get a business. You don't want to do the opposite. Have a great day. God bless you. I'll see you all at the top, and have a great day.